In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles in Shotcut. We'll move step by step so you can build clean, readable subtitles without overcomplicating your project. First, create a dedicated lane for your subtitles. On the timeline, click the small hamburger icon, the button with 3 horizontal lines at the top. Hover over Track Operations, then choose Add Video Track. This extra track keeps your subtitle clips separate from your main footage and makes everything easier to manage as your project grows. Next, select the new video track so Shotcut knows where to place your text. At the top, open the generator options and choose text. Type any sample line in the text box, then click Add to Timeline. You'll see a text clip appear on the new track, and the text shows over your video like a subtitle. Replace that sample with the actual words you want on screen. Use the left and right edges of the text clip to set how long the subtitle stays visible. The edges are your in and out points, so trim them until the words match the timing of the speech. If you need to shift the subtitle forward or back, drag the entire clip from the middle along the track. When you're ready for the next subtitle, you don't have to start from scratch. Click the text clip you just made and press Ctrl+C to copy. Move the playhead, the vertical marker, right to the end of that clip, then press Ctrl+V to paste. This creates a duplicate at the perfect spot, so your pacing remains consistent. Click the newly pasted clip, edit the text in its box for the next line, and again adjust its edges to fine-tune the timing. Keep an eye on the preview window as you trim. Seeing and hearing it together helps you nail the sync. Repeat that same rhythm for each line. Copy the last subtitle, place the playhead at its end, paste, update the text, and trim the edges. Extending the right edge keeps text on screen longer, pulling it back shortens the duration. If something appears a bit early or late, nudge the whole clip left or right until it lines up perfectly with the audio. Work through your entire video this way until every line is in place. That's the complete process for how to add subtitles in Shotcut. Simple, consistent, and easy to control. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss the next tutorial.